Hello, it's Greg from Defu. Today we're going to talk about how to conduct a cybersecurity risk assessment, a crucial step in identifying vulnerabilities and prioritizing your security efforts. A thorough risk assessment can help you allocate resources effectively and protect your business from potential threats. The first step in a cybersecurity risk assessment is identifying your assets. This includes everything from physical assets like laptops and servers to digital assets like customer data, intellectual property and financial records. By listing all of your critical assets, you'll have a clear understanding of what needs protection and why it's essential to your business's operations. Next, identify the threats and vulnerabilities that could impact these assets. A threat could be anything from a phishing attack to hardware failure, while a vulnerability is a weakness that could be exploited, such as outdated software or weak passwords. Be comprehensive in identifying possible threats and consult cybersecurity frameworks like NIST or ISO 27001 for guidance on common vulnerabilities. Once you have a list of threats and vulnerabilities, it's time to assess the likelihood and impact of each one. Ask yourself, how likely is it that this threat could actually occur? And if it does, what would be the impact? For instance, a ransomware attack might have a high impact because it could shut down your operations, but its likelihood could be lower if you have strong defenses in place. Now that you know the likelihood and the impact of various threats, you can use a risk matrix to categorize each threat as low, medium, or high risk. This will help you prioritize which areas need immediate attention. For example, high-risk vulnerabilities should be addressed first, as they have the potential to cause the most harm. From here, create a risk mitigation plan. This should outline specific actions you'll take to address each risk. For example, if weak passwords are identified as a vulnerability, your mitigation plan might include implementing a strong password policy and enabling multi-factor authentication. For high-risk threats, consider stronger controls like network segmentation and regular security audits. Once your plan is in place, monitor and review your risk assessment regularly. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, so it's important to revisit your risk assessment at least annually or after any major changes to your systems. Conducting a cybersecurity risk assessment is an essential step in creating a proactive security strategy. Tomorrow, we'll talk about the Zero Trust security model and how it can protect your business. Stay secure, and we'll see you then.